In this lecture, we will talk about removing files when working with Git. So, if we execute the ls command, we see that now in the working directory we have two files, file1.txt and file2.txt. We will remove the file2.txt, so let's say we didn't need this file anymore. We will do that using the rm command. So now file2.txt was removed, but if we execute the git status command, so here it says that there are some changes that are not staged. And that's because file2.txt was removed from the working directory, but it still exists in the staging area. And we can verify that by executing the git ls files command to list the files that we have in the staging area. So now in the staging area, we have both file1.txt and file2.txt. So we have to stage the deletion of the file called file2.txt. And you can do that using the git add command. Execute the command git stats again. So now we have some changes to be committed. So we can commit the deletion of the file2.txt. So let's create a new commit using git commit. And then we specify a message using the -m option. For example, remove file2.txt. So now the commit was created successfully. So now if we execute git ls files again, so now in the staging area we have only file1.txt. So what we have to know about removing files when working with Git is that we have to remove the file from both the working directory and the staging area, as we did here. So first of all, we remove the file from the working directory using the rm command, and then removing the file from the staging area using the git add command by staging the deletion of the file2.txt. When working with Git, instead of doing that in two steps, we can do both of them with a single command, which is the git rm command, followed by the name of the file, for example, file2.txt. Okay? So when executing this command, the file2.txt will be removed from both the working directory and the staging area. And if we execute the git rm command with the -- help option, so here it says that this command will remove files from the working tree, which is the working directory, and from the index. The index is the staging area. So with only one single command, we can remove the file from both the working directory and from the staging area. Okay? So that's all about removing files when working with Git. I hope that everything is clear, and thank you very much.